let's solve this question number 2 of 2025 paper. Here it seems they have given a tongue twister, which says that Betty bought some butter, but the butter was too bitter, so she put a little gummy to make the bitter butter yummy. Now what you have to do in the above sentence, you replace every letter T with B, and then what the question is, what is the total number of instances in which the same letter appears twice in a word? So first let us write this tongue twister and mark all the T's which is given here. So I have marked all the T in bold and then highlighted in yellow. Now let's change those T's into B. So after changing, the sentence becomes something like that. Now the question is that you have to find out total number of instances in which the same letter appear twice, at least twice. So here, like here in the first word, B appears thrice. So this will be one of the instance. Now here again this has appeared twice, so another instance, second, then 3, then here 4, 5, 6, 7. Now here see what they have done. They've given so many words with double alphabets so that all our focus are on that double alphabets. But the question is that simply that same letter can appear more than one. So here this L is also appearing twice, so that will also be one of the instances. So that L and then B, so 8 and 9 in the same word, then 10, then 11, 12, and the same thing happens in the last word. Y is appearing 2 times. They are separated, but there are 2 instances, like in the same word Y is appearing twice, so that will be 13 and then 14. So there are 14 instances where the same letter appears at least twice in a word. So here the answer will be 14.